Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to take profit on RoboForex. And right now we are trading here in the Tesla chart, so we will do this right here, for example. So first of all, we go here to market, and then right now we want to create a short or a long. So let's do a long, for example. Then we select right here the volume, so select the pips that we want to trade with. And then right here we need to enable take profit. Then what we can do is we can fill in right here the profit that we want to take when he will increase. So let's say we want to take the profit at 500, that is around 7,500 pips. And right now we want to do this. So what we're going to do now is we click on buy Tesla, and then right now it's standing right here. We have a volume of 10 pips, and when he will increase 500 euros, we will take the profit of Tesla. So this is how you can take profit on RoboForex. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.